Hi neighbors, it is I, Jerri-ellen. Welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. Today I am doing a collaboration with my friend Jeet. It's Jeet Asmir channel. So I am making Chicken Chow Mein, and you go over to her channel and she's going to be eating some Chicken Chow Mein. Okay? So anywho, let's get started. In a bowl, I have a pound of chicken strips, like thinly sliced chicken strips, okay? To that, I am going to add a few dashes of sesame oil, teaspoon or two, okay? And this is just a low sodium light soy sauce. And I'm going to put a little splash of that, a few teaspoons. And I'm just going to give that a little mix. Okay. I have a good handful and a half or so of bean sprouts, one whole carrot that shredded up, a whole carrot, about a dozen cremini mushrooms. Use whatever mushrooms you want, just chopped, and I left them quite large, and some snap peas. You can use any green that you want. You can use snow peas, snap peas, you can use green pepper or broccoli, just whatever green that you like, okay? So I have a green, I have a mushroom, I have a carrot, and I have the bean sprouts. A couple of tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to throw in, I'm going to throw in my chicken. And I got it on pretty much high heat. And I'm going to let that cook through. Okay, so here I sliced up, right on the cutting board, I sliced up a bit of ginger in 3 or 4 slices, and then I chopped it up a bit. I'm going to add this ginger to my chicken. I'm going to add my vegetables. And now, what I'm going to do, you can add water or you can add chicken stock. And I had chicken powder, so like bouillon powder. So I'm adding a half a cup of chicken stock. And I'm going to wait for that to come to a boil. See it starting to boil there?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to add a cornstarch slurry, which is, I got 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can add a bit more soy sauce if you want. I don't want to add too much because I like to keep the color of the vegetables. And once that's boiling, I'm going to add my cornstarch slurry, which is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water. And I mix that together. And I'm going to add that. And that's going to create the sauce for our chicken chow mein. And I'm going to show you the next part. Well, that's doing that for a second. I cooked my chow mein noodles, my egg noodles, according to the package instructions, right? And then after I cooked them, I put them in ice cold water to stop the cooking process. And I laid them out on a sheet, and I used a paper towel and stuff. And I left it there. It's been there for probably 2 hours or so, because you want them to dry. So you want to dry your noodles, right? And I'm going to show you how to bring out like really nice flavor out of the noodles to make the chow mein taste better. I'm just going to transfer this into another pot, into a pan, and keep it warm while I use the wok for my noodles. So to bring out that nice egg flavor out of your noodles, we're going to almost like toast them a bit, but not burn them. Okay, so we want to, I just want the air to get into it. If you want, you can come over here, Case, I can move out of the way. just want to toast up, and that'll bring out that egg flavor. And if you don't have stir-fry noodles, use whatever noodles you want. Any egg noodle or even spaghetti, doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm going to plate it up, okay?
Really?
Yep.
Cool.
Loosen that up around there. Okay. Okay. There you go.
Cool.
What do you think?
Looks good.
It's beautiful.
Is that my plate?
That's your plate. Want me to take just a little taste? Tasty poo?
Yeah, sure. You can have some of my plate.
You can put sesame seeds on it if you like. You can, I'm not going to grab... I'm just going to spread that around. Does that look good?
Yep.
Just do this. I like it.
Yep, I'm sure it's good. I mean, I could tell.
Yeah.
Alright.
Anyway, guys, I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for helping my channel grow. Y'all mean a lot to me. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Take care. Keep a good heart. God bless.